Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Ricardo's Kitchen. So just a little backstory about myself. I'm in the military, been a helicopter mechanic, Apache helicopters, and I've been cooking for quite some time now. Worked in a couple restaurants, also in New York, worked in restaurants in New York, and worked in restaurants in Jamaica. And I do actually love cooking. So what we're going to make for you today is something simple. It's like a breakfast meal pretty much. So at the moment, we are based, I would say based, we're on a deployment or rotation, as you will, in Germany. And we should be here for almost a year, so to speak. So that's why you see my little kitchen area is a little bit small, because we're inside the barracks. So it's cooking inside the barracks in Germany for me at the moment until I get back to the States. So welcome. So we're gonna make for you today Hominy corn porridge. It's a traditional porridge in Jamaica, and we kind of like it. Well, I liked it. I love it actually. So we're going to show you how that goes. What we're going to do today, we're going to get all the ingredients together, show you what we need for the porridge, and let's get it. So what we're going to do first, we're going to soak or put some water in on our hominy corn and let it soak for a little while, for a couple hours that is. Some people soak it overnight, but we're not making a lot today, so we're just going to leave it to soak for the rest of the evening. And to come back, guys, so these are all the ingredients that I'll be using today. I'm going to use my sweet milk to sweeten it, coconut milk, ground cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, a little bit of cornstarch thickening, and this is my secret ingredients, rosemary, or rose and almond, sorry. This, trust me, when you put this in your porridge, tastes good. As you can see, our hominy corn is right here boiling. You gotta get it as soft as possible, and then we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. It's gonna take a good, probably about an hour or so, because you don't have like a pressure cooker to get it boiled quickly and soft to pressure it. But we're gonna use this and have it boil until it's soft. You can just keep it boiling until it's soft, okay? So now that our corn has gotten soft, we pour half a can of coconut milk in there and let that boil and get thick. There we go. After we add our coconut milk, we're going to add just a half a teaspoon of cinnamon inside of our porridge. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla in our porridge. Add our nutmeg. Just a teaspoon of nutmeg to our porridge, a teaspoon of rose and almond inside our porridge. Last but not least, our sweet milk. Some people use sugar, but I like to use sweet condensed milk because I just like the rich creamy taste of this. I'm going to put a tablespoon of cornstarch in a bowl and mix it with some water and pour it also in the porridge, okay? Here you have it, nice and thick and rich and creamy. Please note that when you're finished putting your milk in, you definitely could get plated out right away. So this is what it should look like. As I said, I mix mine with some sweet milk and a little bit of sugar because I like both in it.